Before you buy your fence, here's a step-by-step method to plan your layout and order the right materials. Start by sketching a quick outline of your future fence. It doesn't need to be perfect. A notepad or scrap paper is fine. Now that your sketch is complete, let's talk fence. The distance between corners or gates is considered one run. Each run needs to be measured individually to calculate your total material list. Gates are considered their own run. Leave roughly 4 feet of spacing for single gates and 8 feet for double gates. Next, you'll want to go outside and measure your fence runs. You can use a laser, walking wheel, or tape measure. You'll measure in one direction around the yard, left to right, moving clockwise. Write each measurement directly on your sketch. Now create a simple chart with 5 columns: run, length, fence kits, gates, and finishing posts. This will be your total material list. Add a row for every run you have in your project. Label your fence runs numerically. For gates, write gate or double gate. Next, enter your measurements into the run lengths column. Now we'll find out how many panels each run needs. Let's look at the side of the yard for example. Run number 4 is 26 feet long. We'll divide each run by 6 feet, which is the length of a fence panel. We get 4.3 panels. So, since we didn't arrive at a whole number, we'll round up to 5. That way, we can trim our fence to make sure it fits perfectly. Now for the gates. In the gate column, add 1 for a single gate application and add 2 if you're installing a double gate. Lastly, in the finishing post column, add 1 finishing post for each gate run. On the last row of your total material list, add 1 finishing post. Once everything is filled out, add up each column. These totals are your exact product amounts to order. Keep your sketch. You'll use it again during installation. And that's it. You've measured your yard, mapped your gates, and calculated your materials. You're ready to order your WamBam Fence.